guys, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be starting begonia tubers or bulbs, whatever you like to call them. So I've got two different kinds. This one I grabbed from Walmart, and then this one I grabbed from Sam's Club. What I don't like is that when you buy the caladiums like this from Sam's Club, you get 32. But then with this, with the begonias, you only get 9 bulbs. So I am going to be supplementing throughout the season. So I've got these two that I'm going to start today, and then once begonias start being available in my garden center, I'm going to buy some that are already like growing. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I've got some Dollar Tree pots. I've got my soil all mixed up. This is Pro Mix soil mixed with vermiculite. So it's very light, it's very fluffy. This will be a super quick video. We'll be checking out these bulbs, making sure that they are good to plant, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna move these out the way. I'm gonna get some soil put into these pots. Put this over there. Let's get these all separated. I'm a little behind. I usually like to have these started early February so I can have a nice full plant when it comes planting time outside. But I've been doing a lot of other different things, so. Alright, I need to get one thing. I'll be right back. I've got my coffee filters. So I'm filling each pot halfway, and I actually will need more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm gonna have to go get some more pots in a second. I have to put the coffee filter in there. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, so we're going to plant these 1 to 2 inches down. I'm actually just going to go for the 2 inches because once I moisten the soil, it'll move farther down into the pot. Let me see. Let's squish this down. I'm actually going to squish it down and add a little bit more soil. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open these. I'm going to give the bulbs a look over. One tip, when you are shopping for bulbs in store and you see the bags like this, check the bags. Make sure that the bulbs aren't squishy, aren't rotted, and that you have the amount that it says that's in the bag. So 3 bulbs. I feel 1, 2, 3. They look great. They're nice and firm. So it's a good buy. Last year I actually bought a bag like this. I didn't check it and there was nothing in it. So that's why I always, whenever I'm shopping and buying stuff like this, I always check the bag. Okay, so here is the begonia tuber. Looks good, it's firm. It looks great. So this looks like where the roots should have come out. So let me just double check what it says on here. Yep, exactly what I thought. So the roots come out here. This is the hollow side. So on the begonia, you want to plant hollow side up. So I would put I gotta clean that up. We'll come back to this. You do that. Put this back in. I've had way too much caffeine today. That's why I'm like jittery almost. Okay, now let's continue with the planting. So I'm gonna get a little bit more soil back into this one since I spilled it everywhere. Alrighty, so where did my tuber go? Back into the bag. Okay, so you can see some leftover roots here. This would be what you plant downward. The hollow side, you plant up. And you stick it in the pot just like that. And then let's check out the other bulbs. Ooh, this one's got a little growth point on it. If you can see that little pink there. But again, here's the roots. Here's the hollow side. Plant it, roots down. So here is the top of the bulb. See how it's got that dip? This is what will be planted up. And the fuzzy part, which isn't really fuzzy, but the part here where you see the old roots, this would be planted down in the soil. So it would be just like this, just like that. All right, so let's get planting. I'll just stick these guys in here. 2, 3, and then I also got some more pots. Where is my coffee filters? Speaking of coffee, I have had way too much today, and that's why I'm still like jittery. Anyway. The begonias are now planted, so I'm going to water them in and then put them on my grow shelf, and then I will update you guys in a few weeks when they wake up. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave them below or send me an email, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Happy gardening!